Introducing Tergo HDF, the cutting-edge vapor-degreasing fluid that embodies innovation in every drop at MicroCare. Designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges while minimizing environmental impact, Tergo HDF is a breakthrough in precision cleaning technology. Tergo HDF offers robust cleaning power based on advanced Azeo-trope-like technology. This stable, non-flammable solvent excels in the most demanding manufacturing environments, easily removing heavy hydrocarbons, greases, and other tough residues. Tergo HDF delivers exceptional cleaning performance and contributes to a cleaner, safer environment. With zero ozone depletion potential and an extremely low global warming potential, it's the smart choice for today's forward-thinking manufacturers. If you have relied on industry standards like Tergo metal cleaning fluid, MicroCare HDS, or bromothane, transitioning to Tergo HDF is seamless. You will find greater cleaning efficiency and a lower cost per part cleaned. Tergo HDF is engineered for use in both open-top and vacuum vapor degreasers. Its stable Azeo-trope-like constant boiling blend resists thermal breakdown, ensuring consistent, high-standard cleaning across a broad range of substrates. Whether you're cleaning aerospace parts, automotive components, or intricate medical devices, Tergo HDF delivers world-class performance with a focus on sustainability. Choose Tergo HDF and discover perfectly clean at microcare.com.